Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to on app notification in Vivo Y21 A phone. Guys, you want to on your app notification, so you can on. In this video guys, I will show you how to on it. But before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're in my channel and you are watching my video first time. So first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all, open a phone setting. Then guys scroll it and guys come on notifications. So guys click here. Then guys click on app setting. So you can see app notifications. So you want to on like guys Chrome notification guys, YouTube, Instagram guys, Google notification guys, Facebook notification guys. You can on from this setting in your Vivo phone. So I think friends you have understood how to on app notification in Vivo Y21 A phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.